Hello, everybody. Woo! Thank you for participating. This has been an excellent 10th anniversary. It's been doing this now for for 5 years, and it's grown from when I started. It was still very much at DNA Lounge, and we were just in DNA Lounge the first year, and then we expanded over to Buzzworks next year, and then we've now been here at City View for the past 3 years. And I don't know what the years to come are going to have. It's a lot of fun. It is very much a labor of love. Again, this is a totally 100% volunteer run event, and I have a day job, just like everybody else here. And so, but it's awesome to do. And what makes it the best is actually seeing the event and seeing everybody enjoying themselves, seeing folks on the CTF and solving all the challenges, seeing people in the villages learning, the lockpicking village, an IoT village, crypto and privacy, and the car hacking village. The workshops that are on Saturday and people learning in depth about various things there, and the talks themselves. And so, thank you all for participating. It means a lot that an event that takes a very long time to put on can be enjoyed by so many people. So let's talk some numbers here. So we had 1,678 different participant badges that were actually given out, 96 different presenters, 185 volunteers, and that includes public safety as well, 38 villagers, 211 sponsorship representatives, 9 press, 25 AV folk, 10, actually it's a little less than that for CTF, 56 different vendor badges, 27 staff, and 7 drag queens, of course. That's 2,342 participants, which is, again, a record for us. Every year we go up, so that's amazing. Yeah, so just some random extra kind of statistics that I found interesting. We gave away 19 different raffle items. We graphically recorded 19 different talks. And all the ones that were out in the lobby, they will all be posted on the website soon, so in a couple of weeks. 65 speakers donated their speaker gifts. This is a new thing this year. We offered to let them donate it, which means that a little over $1,000 each will be given to each of the 3 T-shirt charities. Which is awesome. So 349 volunteer shifts filled for a total of a little over 1,200 volunteer hours. That is fantastic. We could not be doing this without our volunteers. Just yesterday, 2,300 drink tickets used, and a lot more are used today. We were trying to get rid of all of them, so we're just giving them out like crazy. And for the staff, we were keeping track of our steps. And this is actually a low number because there was a few staff we didn't get to, but over 600,000 total steps over the last few days, which is like 260 miles of work just from the staff of walking around, 3 different floors and setting things up and dealing with things. And then that doesn't include teardown tonight, which we will be here pretty late to get that all tear down. So it's a lot more to add to that. So network-wise, we had a 1 gigabit per second link from WebPass. We did about 300 gigs in and 137 gigs out. Almost 1,000 wireless devices. We were able to overflow video for all tracks this year. This is the first time we were able to do that kind of dynamically. And then also a new thing for this year was we actually streamed the talks live on the internet. It was not well documented, but it was something new we wanted to see if it was possible, and we'll definitely be improving upon that for years to come. And in fact, we have Aruba and HB actually donated 15 new access points thanks to one of our AV folk. And so I just want to give a round of applause to that to Aruba. Those are not cheap. So we will be able to have an awesome network for many years to come. And then also just on the video recordings, that will all get posted online in a couple of weeks. Capture the flag. So we actually had 48 challenges completed over the course of 31 hours. 310 players organized into 175 teams with just 64 on site. So these are the winners that were already known. So let's bring up the winners, and we have some awesome prizes for them. So let's bring up third place, Open to All, with 6,308 points. Woo. So we're getting a Signet encrypted USB storage and 2FA. Yep, awesome. Here you go. Awesome, there you go. Great job, guys. Second place, we had the Flat Network Society with 7,952 points. Do I have anybody here? Okay. And then first place, we have Perfect Blue with 11,181 points. Awesome. Yes. And then who was the other? Hacking for Soju. LSE. We're going to give these away, so we're going to keep going down the list. Arnie F. Prezisa? I know Memesec here. Memesec. Okay, cool. Here you go. By default. Here you go. Enjoy. I don't want to pack anything up, so I'm just trying to give away things. That's why we were trying to give away the T-shirts, green tickets, everything. We have a very tiny storage unit year-round, and every year it keeps getting bigger, the stuff. So this year we're trying to literally get rid of everything we can. Oh yes, there are tons of candies and cookies, fortune cookies. So if you like fortune cookies, please take as many as you would like. Take as much candy as you like. Do not want to take it with me. So villages. We brought back a lot of our regular villages. We added one new one. So we had the car hacking village this year, and then of course we had a crypto and privacy again, IoT village, and the lockpick extreme and tool combined together to our lockpicking village. Crypto and Privacy Village actually had a little contest. The winner, and I am terrible at pronouncing names, but Mark Andre was the winner for that. Cool. Awesome. Cool. I think you already got your prize for that?
I did not.
Oh, okay. No. So. Oh, is there not a prize for this? Wait, I said there was a prize. What? There's a... High five. We do have, and then we have Airbnb was having a raffle. So let's get to Airbnb. Yes, and we have 2 different raffle winners. And they are Marjorie and Eric. Are either of them here? Okay, cool. I guess you have contact information. You can get in touch with them to get them their raffle prizes. Cool. T-shirt proceed donations. So we do the T-shirt charities every year. We have 2 kind of main charities, and then we add a third one kind of every year, changes. So EFF, we were able to, thanks to you all for buying T-shirts, raised over $2,000 for EFF. So let's give a round of applause for that. Awesome. Hackers for Charity, a little over 1,100. Awesome. Again. And the Sisters for Perpetual Indulgence, which is an awesome charity run by the drag queens from last night, raised a little over $500 from them. So that's a round of applause for that. That's in addition. These are not including the amount that these due to the speakers donating their gifts as well. So it's fantastic that we're able to do this. We're a nonprofit ourselves, and it's really cool that we can actually give back to other nonprofits. But none of this would be possible without all the people involved. We have a staff of about 30, our leads and staff, and most of them are actually not in the room right now. They're actually going and tearing down the rest of this so that we're not here till 4 a.m. But I just want to do a call out to all of our leads and staff: Asta, Crystal, David, Ian, Jesse, Lauren, Megan, Ricky, Ryan, Sarah, Steve, Tanya, and Tim. And then on our staff, we have Ben, Benjamin, Brian, Deborah, Eduardo, Harsh, Jim, Kathleen, Liza, Richard, Satora, Tom, and Will. So let's give a round of applause to all those folks. would not be able to do this without them. And I want to just give a special shout out to Megan. She is my right-hand woman and our effective COO. She keeps me in check. It's a nice balance between the two of us. So I just want to do a special shout out to Megan. Again, she's the one running the teardown right now. So just as some additional well-deserved thanks, CFP, our call for paper review panel, Aaron, Alex, Alan, Archon, Ben, Chris, Colleen, Elizabeth, Evan, Josh, Kate, Kelly, Kevin, Mark, Miranda, Wendy, and Will, our CTF Puzzle Masters, Brandon, David, Niru, and Ron, and then the 185 volunteers that doing all kinds of jobs for us, including like, oh, we run out of paper towels. Let's run down to Target and buy some more. I just want to give a round of applause to all those folks. Putting this together takes a lot of time and a special commitment. If you feel you have the time and would like to help out more, please reach out to volunteer at BSidesSF.org. We're always looking for more folks, especially for people that are able to help out year round. It is a big time commitment. I won't steer you wrong here, but it is a lot of fun to do, and it's great to actually see the event come into play. So if you have interest in that, please reach out. We are definitely always looking for more people to help out. And of course, there's always the volunteer slots during the event itself, which will open up during our call for volunteers much later in the year. Again, but none of this would be possible without our sponsors. So I just want to thank them once again, and especially our 4 leading sponsors, Adobe, HackerOne, Twilio, and Valuemail. So round of applause for all of them. But we can't do this without knowing if you enjoy this. So please provide feedback. So there's a couple of different ways that you can provide feedback. You can go to bsidessf.org/feedback. There's a Google form there you can fill out. If you have feedback about a particular talk, you can go on Sketch and provide feedback directly there. And then we'll also be sending out via email for all the folks that pre-registered that we have your email address. We'll send out a post-event survey. We read through every single piece of feedback that is given to us during our postmortems. We go through that, and we make changes every year. So please take the time to do that. It really, really means a lot. So thank you for all those who give feedback. And again, nudge, nudge, please provide feedback. Thanks. And last but not least, BSidesSF 2021 is going to be February 7th and 8th. Oh, we do not have a theme picked out, so we were trying to crowdsource it this year. So please help us pick out next year's theme. So tweet at us at BSidesSF with your ideas. And we can definitely give you a free ticket for next year, and maybe something else special too. So again, if you or your friends have some great ideas for us, please feel free to tweet at us. But with that, I think that's it. Thank you so much for a fantastic 10th anniversary. This has been a great year. Looking forward again to the year ahead. And again, thanks to everybody that has participated. This is why we do it, is because we have all you happy faces here, enjoying yourselves, and just happy to make this possible. So thanks again.